So, good morning, students. As in my last video of this chapter, financial tools, financial analysis tools. So, we have four tools that helps to uh, make a very quality decision, very good decision for the business. So this is the tools in the hand of the management. So generally these tools are used by the management or for the managerial decision. So those tools are comparative statement, common size statement, accounting ratio, and cash flow statement. So today we are going to start this comparative financial statement. Okay, comparative statement. So in this comparative statement, so there are two here. Comparative, when we compare, comparative means the term comparative itself give us the meaning, clear information that is we are comparing the data of the 2 year, because the balance sheet exhibited by the financial statement, the balance sheet does not give a clear idea, the idea about that, because it is the figures are obsolete. So that has to be changed to the very that, so that we can compare it in terms of percentage. So we have to, when we are comparing the two items, so the figures given in the balance sheets are obsolete, and that figures cannot compare. We cannot get a clear picture of that from the data. So we have to compare in terms of, we have to change in terms of percentage. So when we are preparing the balance sheet of the 2 years, by comparing the balance sheet of current year and the previous year. So generally, preparation balance sheet. The first of all, when you prepare the comparative balance sheet, you want to, what point we have to focus, what point we have to understand. First of all, it is well and good if the question itself gives the proper format of balance sheet. अगर क्वेश्चन में बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट सही तरीका से दे दिया गया है, दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन if it is the reflecting of assets and liability assets and the shareholders of fund equities and liabilities. Generally in the company form, balance sheet is in a horizontal form, so the vertical form. So first we have equities and liabilities. Inside the equities and liabilities, we have a shareholders fund. First, we have shareholders fund. Next, we have shareholders money pending allotment. Then we have non-current liabilities. Then we have current liabilities. Four headings are there. If in the question, if the arrangement of the items are sequence already given in the question in a sequence in order form, that means it's a very good luck for you. It's a very good news for you, that the assets and liabilities, you don't have to arrange assets. Assets are of two broad heading. One is non-current asset and current assets. If these assets and equities and liabilities are given in arranged manner in the question, so it's a very good point for you, that just you have to copy and paste only in the solution. When you do the solution, just you have to copy, say exact as it is. But here you have to make a 4 columns. First column is for last year. Second column is for current year. Third column is for changes. And fourth column is for the percentage of change. First column, last year, previous year. Second column, current year. Third column for obsolete, the changes. And fourth column will be your percentage changes. So first column, so if copy as it is, if it is given in sequence order, if it is not given in a orderly manner, so you have to arrange it. Equities and liabilities, shareholders fund, shareholders fund, and money pending for allotment, then current liability, non-current liabilities, and current liabilities. This you have to arrange it. In asset side, current, non-current assets, and current asset. So you have to arrange it. But generally in the question you will be getting the in the sequence form. If it is not given, you have to see the question properly and you have to arrange it. But generally in the question you will get the arranged form. So if it is given in arranged form, just you have to copy as it is. And first column will be your amount column. First amount column will be your, after writing the items, you have first column is your last year column, previous year amount column. Second column is your current year amount column. So third column is for changes. Changes is current year minus last year. Suppose, for example, first column is A column, second column is B column, third column is C column. C is equal to B minus A. and your fourth column is percentage changes. Percentage changes will be percentage, how much it changes by last year into 100. C column, if you see the first is A column, second is B column, third is C column. C column is your absolute, that is changes. C will be calculated by subtracting the B column minus A column, and now we have to find D column, that is percentage change. D is equal to now C is absolute changes. C is changes by last previous year into 100. That means the column D will be ascertained by dividing the C divided by A into 100. This is the only formula. C divided by A into 100. Every column you go on doing, this is the comparative format. Very easy. How do you find D column? D column is equal to C by A column into 100. And how do you find C column? C column is B minus A. And A and B is given in the question directly. So only this much, only in this comparative balancing. Every items you have to do in this way only. So once you try it, I will also send you the solution. So this much in the comparative balancing. I hope you have understood. This is a very short video. So again, if you want, I will again send you the some solution on this by making a video. So thank you. Go through the question. Go to the formula, apply it. You will understand it. Thank you.